Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Salauddin Rubel in the Department of English as a lecturer at Isapur BMC Degree College. Dear viewers, চলুন কথা বলি স্পিকিং অ্যান্ড রিটেন ইংলিশে আমরা কিছু শব্দের কন্ট্রাকশন এবং উচ্চারণ নিয়ে হেজিটেশন ফিল করি। চলুন আজকে এই টিউটোরিয়ালের মাধ্যমে আমরা এই বিষয় সম্পর্কে ক্লিয়ারভাবে ধারণা নিয়ে নিই। লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। লেটস সে ফর এক্সাম্পল I am. Its short form and pronunciation will be I am. I am. Its short form and pronunciation হচ্ছে I am. He is. Its short form and pronunciation will be his. He is. Its short form and pronunciation হচ্ছে his. She is. Its short form and pronunciation will be she's. She is. এটার সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে she's. And let's see then I have. Its short form and pronunciation will be I've. I have এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হবে I've. And then let's see we have its short form and pronunciation will be we've. We have এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং pronunciation হচ্ছে we've. And then let's see you have. Its short form and pronunciation will be you. You have এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং pronunciation হচ্ছে you. And then let's see they have. Its short form and pronunciation will be they. They have এটার সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং pronunciation হচ্ছে they. And then let's see he has. Its short form and pronunciation will be his. He has এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে his. And then let's see she has. Its short form and pronunciation will be she's. She has এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে she's. It has এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে its. It has its short form and pronunciation will be its. I had. Its short form and pronunciation will be it. I had এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং pronunciation হচ্ছে it. We had its short form and pronunciation will be wheat. We had এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং pronunciation হচ্ছে wheat. You had এর short form এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে youth. You had its short form and pronunciation will be youth. And then let's see they had. Its short form and pronunciation will be they'd. And then they had. Its short form and pronunciation will be they'd. And then let's see I would. Its short form and pronunciation will be it. I would এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে it. We had its short form and pronunciation will be wheat. We had, its short form and pronunciation will be wheat. You would, its short form and pronunciation will be youth. You had এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে youth. And then let's see, I shall, its short form and pronunciation will be I'll. I shall এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে I'll. And then let's see, we will, its short form and pronunciation will be will. We will এর short form হচ্ছে সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ হচ্ছে এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে will. And then let's see, he will, its short form and pronunciation will be he'll. He will এর সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে he'll. And then let's see, she will, its short form and pronunciation will be she'll. She will এটার short form এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে she'll. And then let's see, they will, its short form and pronunciation will be they'll. And then let's see, it will, its short form and pronunciation will be it'll. It will এটার সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ এবং উচ্চারণ হচ্ছে it'll. That is all for the time being. Assalam.